Welcome everybody. I'm going to show you how to create basic websites. I mean, if you're not advanced, if you're in the beginner and the website development part, website designing part, this video will definitely help you out, inshallah. So what do you need to create a website or basic website? You need two things: an editor and another browser to read your code. Browser something like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, that's all. And editor, a free editor, Notepad and Notepad ++ is the and if you go with Dreamweaver, that's absolutely okay. And you could also use Sublime Text. Sublime Text is also an editor. I recommend you to use Notepad ++ because it's very useful and very easy to use. Okay, Notepad is not very much user friendly, so use with Notepad ++. So how do you get Notepad ++? Just go to internet, go to google.com and search that Notepad ++ and enter, click it, and you will find how to download. Okay, I will show you out how to do it. Just you go to Google and type Notepad ++ download, and you will get the first link. Click this link. You should not worry about these links. Just click here, and after clicking here, you see here download, and just click on the download link, and you will see that download will be started. Just click save, saving that here download has already started. And after completing download, you need to run it. Yes, it will run, inshallah. Yes, okay. Yeah, Notepad want to run or install, because I have already installed, I need not to install it again. So I will click no, but you have to click yes. Okay, now let's take a look how to create a website. First of all, this is Notepad ++, after installing. How do you create a website from the beginning? Well, it's HTML. If you want to create a website, the basic code you need to know is HTML. Stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext Markup Language. Okay, what the heck is about Hypertext Markup Language? You don't need to know about it. You just try to understand how actually code is working. First of all, if you want to create a website, it has a block. It has some kind of block, and what is that block? Basic building block. You just show. How do I show you? First of all, write down it. You don't need to understand it now. Just write down it. doc type HTML, and then close it. After completing this, then come to the later part. Later, what would you write? HTML and the tag with // HTML. That means this is the starting HTML and this is the ending HTML. That means you are saying that in between these two texts, whatever I write, it will be the HTML or website content. So right here, head content, head and head. Well, and in between, this is the starting head, this is the ending head with / here. Notice that /, and this is the ending head. Okay, well then go with the body, BODY, and with the body. So whatever you code here, it will be shown on the up header section. This is the header section of the browser. Whatever you write down here, or whatever code you write down here, it will be executed in this section. But whatever you write down in the browser body section, it will be shown in the body section. This is from here to here, this is the body section, this is the whole body section. Okay, let's take a look. First of all, I want to create a basic website, a basic body. I don't need to write anything on the head section. First of all, I just want to write a basic. Okay, I will go with a heading 1. That means I want to give a heading to my website and h1. Okay, whatever this is the starting heading, this is the ending heading tag, and whatever I write in between this, it will be shown on my website. For example, I would say hello dot hello. I would write this. Okay, so listen carefully that when you are saving this file, you have to be very careful. So Control S for file save, Control S. This time you need to be very careful. Select your directory where you want to save the file. I want to save the file on my this computer or this PC, and I want to select. I will be storing new volume and to HTML part. I have already created a folder. Well, I will create a new folder. Okay, I will just go with my desktop. Desktop will be better, and I want to create it as my index or whatever name you want to give, but index is better. Index.html. You have to give that extension, otherwise it will not work. And you could also find from here that HTML is also here. Have hypertext markup language HTML. If you give this, it will take automatically. Okay, then save it. Then you can run it. From here. Run it with Chrome. Hello. This is already shown in the browser. Or you can see in the desktop. Yes, looking at here, index.html. That means you could run also from here. It also run here. Hello. So that's all. This is the very beginning part of creating a website.